Hello guys, is your .movie files not showing any thumbnails on Windows? As you can see here, the files are totally playable, but it could be more convenient if you can see the video preview in thumbnail. To solve this, we will have to download a codec that is available for free. We will be using K-Lite codec to solve the issue. The link to the website will be available on the description. Once you have downloaded the codec, proceed to install it. The installation is straightforward. Once installed, we are now able to see the thumbnail preview for the movie files. Don't forget to hit like and comment if this helps.